Welcome back to Autos Time, where we dive into the most exciting cars shaping the roads of tomorrow. Today, we're bringing you something that blends vintage soul with modern engineering. The return of an icon, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Yes, you heard that right. The legendary Karmann Ghia, once a symbol of elegance and flair in the mid-20th century, has been reborn for the electric age. Volkswagen has officially revived the nameplate, and it's turning heads once again, not just for nostalgia, but for what it offers as a modern-day marvel. At first glance, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a jaw-dropper. Its design is clearly inspired by the original coupe from the 1950s and 60s, but with a sleek, futuristic edge. The low-slung profile, smooth lines, and iconic curves are all there. But now, they're accented with LED lighting signatures, aerodynamic detailing, and lightweight alloy wheels that give it an aggressive, sporty stance. VW's designers have done a stellar job respecting the past while moving boldly into the future. But it's not just about looks. Underneath that sculpted body lies a state-of-the-art electric powertrain. The new Karmann Ghia rides on Volkswagen's MEB platform, the same one used in models like the ID.4 and ID. Buzz. That means it's fully electric, whisper quiet, and built for performance. The standard version comes with a single motor setup, delivering around 250 horsepower, while a dual-motor GT variant pushes out over 320 horsepower with all-wheel drive. Acceleration from 0 to 60? Just under 5 seconds for the GT trim. That's seriously quick for a coupe that once cruised city streets more gracefully than aggressively. Range-wise, VW claims up to 300 miles on a single charge, thanks to its 77 kWh battery pack. It supports ultra-fast DC charging, allowing 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes. That makes it not just stylish, but practical for real-world daily driving. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just enjoying a weekend cruise, this car's got your back. Step inside, and it's a blend of retro charm and cutting-edge tech. The cabin features vegan leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and a curved digital display that seamlessly blends with the dashboard. Drivers get a 12.9-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice control, and over-the-air updates. A heads-up display and customizable ambient lighting add to the premium experience, giving you both form and function. Volkswagen is also pushing the envelope on safety and autonomy. The Karmann Ghia includes a full suite of advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automated parking, blind spot monitoring, and even level 2 semi-autonomous driving capabilities. So while the style might nod to the past, the safety is nothing but future-focused. And here's the best part. It's not just for the elite. Volkswagen wants the 2025 Karmann Ghia to be accessible, and early pricing rumors suggest it will start around $42,000 for the base model, with the Performance GT trim landing closer to $55,000. That puts it right in competition with the Tesla Model 3, Mustang Mach-E, and other mid-range electric coupes. But none of those carry the same emotional weight or design heritage as the Ghia. Volkswagen knows how much this car means to enthusiasts, and they're also planning limited-run collector editions with heritage badges, special paint schemes, and even a convertible option in the pipeline. So if you're a fan of classic automotive art brought into the electric era, this is your moment. The 2025 Karmann Ghia isn't just another EV, it's a love letter to automotive design, reimagined. For a new generation, it offers style, speed, sustainability, and soul. And that's a combination you don't see every day. Thanks for watching Autos Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars, concepts, and everything in between. Let us know in the comments. Would you drive the new Karmann Ghia, or do you prefer the classic? Either way, the legend lives on. Give me a iClickBit title description, hashtag and keyword, like, comment, and subscribe with mention